Good morning. I'm very happy to be here today to talk about a very important topic. In this presentation, we will be reviewing a journal titled Digital Innovation in the Wealth Management Landscape, the moderating role of robo-advisors in behavioral research and investment decisions making. My name is Amelia Belinda, NPM 1119.
My name is Levi Istiqomah, NPM 1090. The background and issues. The background of the research in the journal Digital Innovation in Wealth Management revolves around the impact of behavioral bias on investment decision making and potential of robo-advisor to mitigate this bias. This study examined the effect of robo-advisory service on investment decision making and behavioral bias such as overconfidence and loss aversion in the context of the Indian stock market. The key issue discussed in the journal Digital Innovation in Wealth Management include the impact behavior bias on investment decision making, the role of robo-advisor in overcoming this bias, and the need for digital innovation in wealth management to improve investor decision-making lies in the fact that investors often make irrational decisions due to behavior bias which can lead to market inefficiencies and financial crisis. Research objective. The purpose of this study is to examine the effect of robo-advisory service on investment decision-making and behavioral bias, specifically overconfidence and loss aversion. This research also aims to assist fintech, startup, bank, and wealth management service provider in improving their automated management service provider in improving their automated advisory product and service offering to help individual investors reduce their behavioral bias in investment decision making. This research also seeks to identify research gap and formulate hypotheses for future research, especially in exploring the impact of robo-advisory service across different socio-cultural background and influence of other behavioral bias of investment decision making. Name of theory or concept used in the article. The theory used in this article prospect theory proposed by Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky. Research methodology. This study used purposive sampling method, structured questionnaire, and structural equation modeling model to analyze data to collect response from investors and use structural equation modeling model to analyze data using almost 22 software package. Conceptual framework. The conceptual framework of this study focused on the influence of robo-advisor service on investment decision-making and behavioral bias, specifically over confidence bias, loss aversion bias. The ratio saw that both bias positively and significantly influence rational investment decision-making. The use of robo-advisor service by individual investors has not been able to reduce this bias. This study has several limitations, include a small sample size and a focus on two bias Future research could consider other behavioral bias and the impact of robo-advisor service in the different socio-cultural setting. The conceptual framework of this study include overconfident bias, loss aversion bias, and the moderating role of robo-advisory service in the relationship. Research this research so that behavior bias such as overconfidence and loss aversion may cause individual investors to make irrational investment decisions. The current use of robo-advisory service has not been able to fully address this bias. Further development on robo-advisory service is need to improve their effectiveness in overcoming behavior bias. Future research needs to conducted with larger sample as well as explore the various behavioral bias and the impact of robo-advisory service across different social cultural background. Overall, robo-advisory service are still in their infancy and have the potential to help investors make more rational decisions, but effort be made to increase awareness and use of the service.
Theoretical
Theory,
implication.
theory,
Theoretical implication.
theoretical, theoretical implication. This study examines the effect of robo-advisory service on investment decision making and behavioral bias. The finding of this study contribute to the field of behavior finance (AI) by providing new insight into how robo-advisory service can help investors reduce bias and improve decision-making. The research also highlights the need to further research to understand how this service can be optimized for different investor groups and cultural contexts. In addition, this study encourages future research to investigate other bias that may affect investment decision making and how robo-advisor service can help.
Practical implication. The practical implication of the research discussed in this journal include the potential of robot advisors to reduce behavioral biases in investment decisions making, such as overconfidence and loss aversion. This research showed that robot advisors can help investors by providing relevant information, risk modeling techniques, and robust allocation strategies based on mean variance optimization technique, which can help investors make more efficient investment decisions. In addition, the study highlights the importance of understanding and addressing behavioral biases in wealth management, as these biases can lead to market inefficiency and financial science. Conclusion. The study showed that behavioral biases such as overconfidence and loss aversion significantly and positively influence irrational investment decisions making. The use of automated advisory service by individual investors has not been able to fully mitigate these basis. Efforts are needed to increase awareness and usage of automated advisory service, especially in developing countries. Fintech startup, bank, and wealth management service providers need to improve their product and platform related to automated advisory service. Further research need to consider like sample size, explore other behavioral bases, and examine the impact of robo-advisory service across different socio-cultural backgrounds. Robo-advisory services are still in their infancy and their architecture, architecture and potential to address behavioral basis still need to be strengthened. Access. Number one is providers empirical evidence on the influence of behavioral biases, specifically overconfident bias and loss aversion bias on investment decisions making in the wealth management domain. Number two examines the use of robo-advisory service and their potential to reduce behavioral biases in investment decisions making. Number three, our insight for fintech startup, bank, and wealth management service providers to improve their product and platform related to automate advisory service. Number four, address to the need to increase awareness and usage of automated advisory service, especially in developing countries such as India, to excited is benefit to more investors. Number five, highlight the limitation of the study, such as sample size and focus on only two bases, providing opportunity for future research to explore other bases and the impact of robo-advisory service in different socio-cultural settings. Number six, suggest direction for future research, including the need for large sample size, configuration of different moderator variables, and application of established behavioral model in different contexts. Disadvantages. Number one is the sample size of this study is relatively small, which might limit the generalizability of the finding. Number two, the study only focused on two bases, namely overconfidence bias and loss aversion bias. Will there are other behavioral bases that might also affect investment decision making? Future research should consider a wider range of bias. Number three, this study mainly examined the impact of robo-advisory service on investment decisions making in the Indian context. It will be beneficial to import the impact of this service across different socio-cultural backgrounds to gain a more comprehensive understanding. Number four, the study did not consider other potential moderating variables that might affect the relation between bias and investment decisions making. Future research could include additional factors to provide a more nuanced analysis. Thank you for attention.